Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the today's integration class, again I will give one more method. See that method, integrals of the form px plus q upon root of ax square plus bx plus c. See what you are observing. We are observing a linear equation in the numerator and a quadratic equation. That quadratic equation is under square root in the denominator. So first step we have to check whether the differentiation of this term, denominator term, gives you the numerator or what. What is the differentiation of 1? 1 is 0. Leave that. Minus 4x is minus 4. We don't have minus 4 here. And minus 4x square is minus 8x. That is also not there. So we are moving to the method, next method. If it is not satisfied, then move to the next. The method is numerator is equal to a into differentiation of denominator. Please note down, student. Denominator when you are writing, don't write a square root. You have to write the inside term. Plus b. See, numerator is 6x plus 5 is equal to a into differentiation of 1 minus 4x minus 4x square plus b. Keep a as it is. Differentiation of 1 is 0. No need to write that. Minus 4x is minus 4 minus 8x plus b. This is 6x plus 5. Then let us call this as equation 1. Now 6x plus 5 I kept as it is. Remove the bracket. Minus 4a minus 8ax plus b. After this, comparing the coefficient of x and constants on both the sides. Here coefficient of x on right side minus 8a and here x coefficient is 6, implies a is equal to minus 6 by 8, that is a is equal to minus 3 by 4. After that, see the constant. The constant means the term without x. The terms without x on both the sides. See on the right side minus 4a plus b. Minus 4a plus b. And on the left side it is 5. Here in this equation already we calculated a. Value a is minus 3 by 4 plus b is equal to 5. Here 4 get cancels. Minus into minus is a plus. So b is equal to 2. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, that means that numerator 6x plus 5 is equal to, write down that a value. See here, 6x plus 5 is equal to a is minus 3 by 4 in the bracket minus 4 minus 8x plus this is what numerator. Now in this value we are writing in the given integral. Now the given integral is equal to given integral 6x plus 5 upon given integral 6x plus 5 upon root of 1 minus 4x is equal to, write down that numerator minus 3 by 4 minus 4 minus 8x plus 2 upon root of 1 minus 4x minus 4x square into dx. Write down the denominator for each term separate. Already you are familiar. Minus 3 by 4 minus 4 minus 8x divided by root of 1 minus 4x minus 4x square into dx. At the same time, I take the denominator and integration separately. Plus 2 upon root of 1 minus 4x minus 4x square into dx. See the first integration. In the first integral, put 1 minus 4x minus 4x square as a t. Differentiate. Minus 4 minus 8x into dx is dt. That is minus 3 by 4 1 upon root t into dt plus 2 upon, this I am making as a perfect square, 1 minus 4x minus 4x square. To make a perfect square, the coefficient of x square is plus 1. Here it is minus 4. Take minus 4 common. Now, x coefficient is 1. Half of that is 1 by 2. We have to take a square of that. Minus 4. This is x plus 1 by 2 whole square. Minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 is minus 2 by 4. That is minus 1 by 2. And for our convenience, I took only minus inside the bracket. Remember, we have to take only minus inside. It is 1 by 2 minus x plus 1 by 2 whole square. Under root 4 in the bracket 1 by 2. How you write as a perfect square? 1 by root 2 square minus x plus 1 by 2 whole square. And at that time I am doing integration, that's why I kept this as it is. What is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. Already 2 is there. This is how we are writing. After that, if you are familiar, directly write down. Otherwise, again one more substitution. Put x plus 1 by 2 as a u because t already we took. X plus 1 by 2 as a u. Dx is equal to du. Minus 3 by 4. 1 by root t into dt plus this 2 get cancels. 1 upon root of 1 by root 2 whole square minus u square into du. Now apply the integration formula. This is in the form of 1 by root x. What is the integration of 1 by root x? Is it root 2 root x or what? Yes. And for the second one, minus 3 by 4 I kept as it is. Integration of 1 by root t is 2 root t plus, see, this is in the form of 1 upon root of a square minus x square because u is a variable. Variable comes next, that is sine inverse x by a. Here it is sine inverse u upon 1 by root 2. Now write down that value, minus 3 by 2 root of 1 minus 4x minus 4x square plus sine inverse root 2 goes up, u value is x plus 1 by 2 plus c. This complete is a angle. So this is the answer. Moving to the next question, that is question number 154. I am explaining the concept very slowly. If you write along with me, I know that definitely you will become a perfect in this method. Question number 154. x minus 1 upon root of 1 minus 4x minus x square. Again, first I will check whether the differentiation of denominator. See, minus 4x is minus 4. It is not there. Minus x square is minus 2x. It is also not there. That means the differentiation of denominator will not give the numerator. Now the method is numerator is equal to a into differentiation of denominator, that too without root. 1 minus 4x minus x square plus b. X minus 1 a as it is, minus 4 minus 2x plus b. Equation 1. Remove the bracket. Minus 4a minus 2ax plus b. A is multiplied only with these two. By comparing or equating, by comparing the coefficient of x and constants on both the sides. Coefficient of x is minus 2a. Here it is minus 2a is equal to, here x coefficient is 1. A is equal to minus 1 by 2. The term without x, minus 4a plus b is equal to minus 1. Write down that a value. Minus into minus plus 2 plus b is equal to minus 1. B is equal to minus 1 minus 2, that is b is equal to minus 3. Therefore, equation 1 becomes x minus 1 is equal to a. A value is minus 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 2x plus b is minus 3. Plus into minus is minus 3. Now, therefore, given integral is written as integration of, in the numerator, minus 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 2x minus 3 divided by root of 1 minus 4x minus x square into dx, and taking the denominator separately, minus 1 by 2 outside, integration of minus 4 minus 2x, and remember, don't take minus common and don't multiply with this. 1 upon 4x minus x square into dx minus 3 upon root of 1 minus 4x minus x square into dx. See, is it simple or what? Yes, the sum is very simple. Only thing, you have to write the steps properly. In the first integral, put 1 minus 4x minus x square as a t. This is minus 4 minus 2x into dx as a dt. Write down that. Minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 by root t into dt. And in the second one, minus 3 I kept as it is, integration of, make it a perfect square. 1 minus 4x minus x square. One minus 4x minus x square. Already you are familiar. x square coefficient should be plus 1. Now, what is x coefficient is 4. Half of that is 2. X plus 2 whole square minus 5. I took minus inside. That is 5 minus x plus 2 whole square. And 5 will be written as root 5 whole square. It is under root minus x plus 2 whole square into dx. And put x plus 2 is equal to u. Dx is equal to du. Next step. Minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 by root t into dt minus 3 1 upon root of root 5 square minus u square into du. It is minus 1 by 2. Integration of 1 by root t is 2 root t minus 3. It is in the form of 1 upon root of a square minus x square. That is sine inverse of u upon root 5 plus 2 get cancels minus root of 1 minus 4x minus x square minus 3 sine inverse u value is x plus 2 upon root 5 plus c. So this is a method integration of the type px plus q upon root of ax square plus bx plus c. So in the next class I will start with the exercise 7.4 from NCERT.